guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I have got a new collection for you guys that is Deluxe Mini B6 Micro Hobo Weeks, and then I've got some new functional items. So I think I'm gonna get started with the functional items. Oh, and I also have the $5 micro kit, which is what you're looking at. So I'm gonna get started with the functional items first, and I actually wanna release some more functional things over the next coming weeks. I have some ideas for some different things that I wanna work on. So keep an eye out for those. But the very first thing for this week are our bold scripts on the clear paper. I could technically do these on a different background as well, but I think that clear will be best for these. So these are pretty much the same thing that you see in the $2 Tuesdays minus the background. I know a bunch of people really love these scripts. These are also the scripts that are in some of the kits, or well, some of the scripts are in the kits. Let me get one that's gonna show a little bit better. So I really love these, and I've been meaning to make this into a sheet for a while, and it's just kind of for some reason not happened. So in this sheet, you've got hashtag adulting, wine time, Target run, Netflix binge, treat yourself, work, clean the house, $2 Tuesday, pay the bills, next week, work, manicure, YouTube binge, and laundry today or naked tomorrow. If anybody wants to see these sheets done in whole sheets, like a whole sheet of adulting or something like that, let me know in the comments down below. That's definitely something I can do. That's just a much larger release to do sheets that way versus a sampler like this. And these are what I call fun scripts. I just think they're super fun. So we will have these in all of the colors that are available for clear foil. So like that includes pixie dust, silver glitter hollow, like purple, blue, like all those colors. But for right now, I just pulled out gold. Here is rose gold. Here is silver. Also, I'm sorry for the lighting. It is dark out. And then here is the hollow. So that is the first thing that will be released, and I'm really excited for these. I really enjoy those scripts. I like to kind of switch it up between those and a fancier script. So the second thing is another thing that I had intended to bring to the shop way before now. So these are the doodle icons without any kind of script. So this is just a random set of them. Same thing, if you guys would like to see these done in kind of like categories, let me know down below and I will work on that, like cleaning but without the scripts, kind of the way they're done on the script sheets, just in plain icon format. So yeah, we have got, I don't know if I want to talk through all these, maybe I will. We have got a bed, grocery cart, trash can, wine glasses, vacuum, checklist, spray bottle, watch, TV, paw print, popcorn, laundry basket, luggage, a little safety, that's not a safety pin, thumbtack? Yeah, thumbtack, whisk and a spoon, coffee or tea, oh, I believe it's tea, there's a tea bag. A birthday party hat, a stethoscope, an alarm clock, a takeout box, a YouTube television, well, a television that has the YouTube logo on it, a car washing symbol, laundry, washer, dryer. It's late, you guys. A book, a grocery bag, fork and knife, a little duster, money, kettlebell, and an envelope with a heart. So I do have more of these. I could come out with more sheets of these that are samplers as well. I just kind of picked what I thought would be the most popular. So same thing, these will be available in all of the foil colors. But for right now, I just grabbed rose gold, silver, gold, and hollow. Super excited for those too. I love being able to pull in icons. I do normally pull them in from our $2 Tuesday sheets, but that's because I don't have something like this. So I may start using these now since I won't have to match backgrounds. And then this is what I'm so excited for. So these are on premium matte, and that's gonna be the only option for right now. I know I just said that premium isn't working, but today it worked. I'm not gonna offer premium in these kits for right now because that seems to be what's really messing up, but these are gonna be on premium. So put on your sunglasses because these are blinding. So these are the scalloped, oh, I guess they're not so bad on camera. These are the scalloped headers with the bows. You guys can see, and they are solid foil, and you guys, they are stunning. They're just mirrored almost, and as you can see, I just have hollow and gold here, but you guys, I'm so excited for these. So if you see, they do still have the bows in there. The bow is the only part that is not foiled. If you guys would like to see these without the bow, just the solid scallop, let me know because I think I may do that. So these are the hollow. Oh, you guys, I'm so obsessed. I've got a couple sheets of hollow here and then the gold. So these are on premium matte just because I was having a little bit of difficulty with them on glossy. I wasn't getting like that perfect foil. And a lot of the times with premium matte, I can get a perfect foil every time. So we're gonna do them for that. Also on clear, they didn't work out. For right now, these will just be premium. And they'll probably stay that way. I don't see a reason to need both really. Since it is solid foil, it's kind of difficult to even, you know, tell what the paper type is. So for colors for these, I don't think there is a color that does not work on premium matte. The only color I'm thinking we do have an issue with is possibly pixie dust. I'm gonna test that in the morning, and if there is something that does not foil correctly on these, that will be pulled, but I'm pretty sure all the foil colors do okay on premium matte. But yeah, these are my new obsession. I cannot wait to put some of these in my planner. I am so pumped. So yeah, scalloped foil headers. And then let's get into this week's new collection. So this week's new collection is called Simplicity. I did sneak this a little over a week ago in the Facebook group, possibly on Instagram as well, but I decided to pull it and wait just because I was a little bit overwhelmed with open orders, but we are now down to where we need to be. We're actually at a really good place because all of these are currently sitting on my dining room table, completely foiled and ready to be cut. So we're looking at a much shorter processing time for this week on at least these. These are not ready to go yet, but anyway, so this is the $5 Friday foiled kit. I don't remember what it's called. Anyway, these two sheets will be $5. I had originally said that they would only be that price on Friday, but to be honest, I'm gonna forget again, I think, that they're there until Sunday or at least Saturday. So I'm probably gonna just go ahead and leave these up all weekend. Also, there will be a 30% off code tomorrow because of me missing new releases for the Memorial Day sale. This will not be included. The coupon code will not work on this. You don't have to order this separately. I've got it listed so that the coupon code would work on anything else and just not come off of this. But yeah, so I'm gonna start keeping these up through Sunday. I did the last time too because I forgot, so. Let's take a peek. The first box here has got your foiling and it's just this really beautiful floral. And I'm obsessed with this kit. I love the black and white, the grayscale, and then the florals. They're very sketchy. I think they're really beautiful. You've got your row of date covers through here. You've got some of your bow boxes. You've got your scalloped headers. You have got your flags that have the bows. And then you've got three 2-bow checklists and then 2 3-bow checklists. And I'm really excited for these to go with some of this kind of stuff. That's probably what I'm gonna start using in all of my spreads. I also think that we could probably do a solid foil header, like no scallop, just a solid block of header with this. If you guys are interested in that, they would have to be on premium matte and premium matte only. So that's the first sheet for the $5 Foil Friday kit, and then your second sheet has got your date numbers, you've got your 3-bow checklist, your tiny icons, your regular icons, and then you do have some boxes down through here. You guys seem to really, really enjoy these. We sold a ton of the Serene and the Moon ones of these last week, or the week before. So I'm gonna continue to do these because it definitely seems like something you guys enjoy. So we will keep up with these for every new collection. I will have a $5 micro kit to go with that collection. So that will be available tomorrow. And then I do have the Hobonichi Weeks kits. And I really love how this turned out. So, oh, you guys. So this side does have those really beautiful florals, but I didn't want to do that over here because I thought it would make it really hard to write on these boxes. So this side does just have that really like marbleized watercolor. Really beautiful. So for your base kit, which is this one, you have your checklist here, some swooshes, you've got a to-do, you've got a row of icons down the side, you've got 8 of these larger bow boxes, and then you've got a bunch of these smaller boxes as well. Down here at the bottom, it is a little bit difficult to see in this light. You do have your bow strips here. Does that work? Yeah. And then your kind of like galaxy overlay here, which I thought was really pretty with the florals in the background. And then the add-on sheet, I'm gonna keep doing these separate. I don't wanna make a listing that's like both of these together. I don't think it's a big deal for them to be separate. So for this sheet, you've got your 3 checklists, 3, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, what is that? Pentagon? Is that a pentagon? I feel like I went through this last time. Your 3 checklist and then your 7 checklist down here. So this one could be used as a weekly tracker. Then you do have some of these foiled strips down at the bottom, a little bit difficult to see. And then you do have your actual trackers down at the bottom as well. Then you've got a row of, if I get this lighting to work, a row of scripts to buy, schedule meals next week, to do goals in this week. And then you also have your strips down here that are the dividing strips for the left side of the page, and a couple of these little speech bubbles. So that is the Hobonichi Weeks kit for this week. I also want to mention, I think I am going to change out the mini kits having all of the scalloped headers, and I'm going to instead insert some various headers and some glitter headers, but once I filmed that plan with me, I had already been mass printing these kits, so that's not gonna be for this week. I just wanted to mention that. I do still plan on doing that, but these had already been printed. So, you guys, here is the full box sheet for Simplicity, and I just love it so much. I think it's really delicate. So your first box up top has that really pretty, here we go, really pretty branch. Your second box has those florals. Your third box has got some of the dot foiling and then the floral stem coming off down here. Down here you've got more of that floral stem and that dot pattern. Here in the center you've got that really beautiful floral. Over to the right here you've got a, I don't know what to call that, a sprig? Is that what that's called? Or a stem maybe? And then down on the left side, that is the same box that was in the micro kit with the really pretty florals as well as the leaves. Your quote box says there is beauty in simplicity, and then over to the right, you do have more of those sketchy florals. I am in love with how this turned out. I had mentioned that I had been working on this kit for a bit. I couldn't quite get it where I wanted it, and I finally did, and now I am so in love. I also want to show you guys the bottom washi next to the full boxes. So you've got the bow drop, I guess that's what I'm going to call it, smaller strips, and then for the rest of your washi, you've got this really pretty same thing. It actually matches this box right here. So I just did it in kind of a repeating pattern because I thought, ooh, there we go, that it looked really pretty that way. You also have got your watercolor date numbers that are date covers that have your scripts foiled. You've got 2 of the foiled bow boxes and 1 of the foiled bow flags, and then your weekly tracker right there. So here are those 2 together. And I really just love how this turned out. I am completely obsessed. So let's move on. Your next sheet here has got your 3-bow checklist, you've got your date numbers, you've got your icons, your scripts, and then your movie marquee down at the bottom. And again, this kit is just totally grayscale. There is no color in this kit. I didn't want to add any color to it. That's kind of part of the whole simplicity thing. I just thought it looked really beautiful just left alone. So that's what I did. Moving over to the next sheet, you've got your flags, your appointment labels, your quarter boxes, tiny boxes, 8 boxes, half boxes. And then your next sheet has got your little things, your cut washi, and your glitter headers. And then your next sheet has got your ombre bow boxes, which I'm still completely obsessed with. You've got your daily trackers, you've got a 3-bow checklist and 2 2-bow checklists, and then you do have your flags. And if you look closely, you do have that glitter pattern kind of in the center of these flags. You've got it behind part of the daily tracker, and then there is that little just like sliver of glitter in between the scallop and the start of these ombre boxes. It's a little bit difficult to see on camera, but really beautiful. The next thing that I've got here is your mini kit. So this one has the exact same full boxes, and then you've got, let me show you the bottom washi sheet next. You've got the same bottom washi, you've got the same date covers, you've got your same weekly tracker, but you do have 2 daily trackers here, and then you've got a bow box there. So that's the mini kit, 5th sheet, sorry, there are 5 sheets now. Your next sheet here has got your date numbers, you've got your flags, they do still have that glitter in the center. You've got your marquee, you've got your scripts, your icons, you've got your bow checklist, a 2-bow checklist, and 2 of the 3-bow checklists. Your next sheet, oops, is actually this one again. So this is the exact same sheet from the deluxe kit. This sheet is the same in all of the kits. You've got your flags, your appointment labels, your boxes, quarter boxes, 8th boxes, and half boxes. Your next sheet in the mini kit is your scallop headers. You've got your cut washi, and you've got your little things. This is going to get changed on the next kit. I'm not sure how many rows of bow headers I'm gonna leave. I haven't decided yet, but I do want to update it so that you've got more than likely a row of various headers, 2 rows of glitter headers, and then a row of bow headers. I'm not completely sure. Also, if you guys want the deluxe kit to be updated so that this last row is various headers, let me know down below, because I don't think anybody would be using that many. I'm trying to, maybe, I feel like I do use that last row in my sidebar. So you guys let me know down below. Your next option here is the B6 kit. And I feel like I've been talking for forever. So the box that we lost is this bottom box here. This is instead cut washi. Everything else is exactly the same, including the foiling. These boxes are just smaller. They are Erin Condren horizontal sized. You do have 3 glitter quarter boxes down at the bottom. This sheet is the same as the mini and the deluxe. So you've got your labels, 1/8 boxes, quarter boxes, and half boxes. Your next sheet has got some more labels up top. You've got some flags, a row of the scalloped bow headers. You've got a couple of 3 bow checklist and a 2 bow checklist. You've got some little things at the bottom, daily tracker, weekly tracker, 3 bow checklist over to the right, and then your washi. This is just extra washi right here. And then your last sheet, which is your foiled sheet for B6, does have that same pattern as the deluxe and the mini, just smaller. You've got your glitter strips. I think I'm gonna be replacing these in the next set of kits. And then you've got your date covers and then your icons. I'm gonna be replacing half of this side right here with the date numbers. And this down here, I believe, will be replaced with something similar to this bow drop instead of the glitter. So yeah. Yeah, guys, so that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. I love them so much. That 30% off code I will be posting on Instagram, Facebook. I think that's it. So check one of those 2 for that. Yeah, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.